Chapter 2 Polynomial Part 3. We are going to see remainder theorem. Remainder theorem. What says remainder theorem? Let P of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. It may be 1 or greater than 1. And A be any real constant. Any real number. Constant means one number. Any real number. If the polynomial P of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a. So you have to take any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. You have to divide only linear polynomial. Only linear polynomial. Then the remainder is P of a. That means in the linear polynomial is of the form a x minus a. This a you have to replace x by a. Replace. In place of x you replace a. Then you will get remainder. It is very simple method. Actually what, when you divide two polynomials, clear, in long division method, you have to use long division method, means you will get quotient and remainder. Okay, but using remainder theorem, okay, if you put that this a value in x, okay, you will get value of the polynomial. That value of the polynomial is called remainder of the given polynomial. Clear? You no need to use long division method. Okay, you see, I will show one example. Clear? You see, now we will see one example. Okay, find the remainder when this quadratic polynomial is divided by the linear polynomial. Any polynomial you can take, quadratic polynomial or cubic polynomial, fourth degree polynomial is divided by linear polynomial. Okay, you see this form. So here what is a? 2. What is a? 2. Clear? So first you take this polynomial as P of x. Let P of x equal to 3x squared plus x minus 1. Now what is given? X minus 2 you have to divide. So x minus 2 means this x is equal to what? 2. You have to x is equal to 2. Put x is equal to 2. What you will get? P of 2 you will get. P of 2. Two minus 1. Okay. Find out P of 2. What you are getting usually. 3 into 4 plus, first you square it, okay, then multiply by 3 plus 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, you write, okay. So 12 plus 1, 13. Therefore 13 is remainder. 13 is remainder of P of x. Yesterday we have seen value of the polynomial, same only for finding the value of the polynomial. Okay, when you apply this remainder theorem, you will get remainder here, okay, remainder of P of x in the given polynomial you will get. Okay, understand, very simple method, easily you can find out remainder. In the examination, if they ask only remainder, find remainder means easily you can find out the remainder by using remainder theorem. Clear? Right here, dividend. Clear? Divisor, that is denominator, x minus 2. Write it here. Okay. Now you have to divide by using long division method. Okay, we will check whether this remainder you are getting or not correctly. We will check. Okay, that's why I am doing. Now, how to divide? There is a method. Okay, what you have to do is, here the first term by first term. Here what is the first term? 3x squared. By this polynomial first term is x. You divide, how much you will get? X cancel means 3x. You will get 3x. This 3x you write it in the quotient. Okay. Now what you have to do is, this 3x you have to multiply with this. Each and every term you have to multiply. Clear? So 3x into x, 3x squared. Same thing you will get. Okay. Remember. Now 3x into minus 2 minus 6x. Minus 6x. Right? So while division, what you will do? Subtract. Okay. So while subtracting, change the sign. Here plus there means minus. Here plus the minus there means plus. So here now you subtract means 1 plus 3x squared, 1 minus 3x squared get cancelled. Clear? Get cancelled. Now 1x plus 6x, 7x minus 1 you bring down here. Bring down. Okay. Next what you have to do is same way. This first term. Okay. This first term. This polynomial first term by this polynomial first term. 7x by x is what? 7. 7x by x is 7. Now this you have to write in the quotient. Plus 7 with sign is very important. Plus 7 you have to write plus 7. So next what you have to do is this 3x you ignore it. 3x you ignore it in the quotient. Now this 7 you have to multiply here. 7 you multiply means plus 7 into x 7x plus 7 into minus 2 minus 14. Right, just ordinary multiplication. 7 you multiply here. Okay. Again subtract. So change the sign. While subtracting, change the plus means minus. Minus means what? Plus. So 1 plus 1 minus get cancelled. 1 plus 1 minus get cancelled. Now minus 1 plus 14. New sign only you have to take. Okay. This sign you have to ignore. Clear? You have to take new sign. Minus 1 plus 14. How much? 13. So this is remainder, you see, remainder 13 you are getting. Clear? So ordinary long division method also you will get 13 remainder. Okay. But in the problem sometimes they may ask find the quotient and remainder means you have to do only long division method. This method only you have to do. Only if they ask remainder means using remainder theorem we can easily find out the remainder. Okay. Understand? You have to read the problem carefully. Clear? This is called long division method. Long division method. Okay. So this is quotient. This is remainder. This one is what? Divisor. This one is dividend. This one is dividend. Right? Therefore, in lower class you might have studied, okay, algorithm, division algorithm. What is division algorithm? Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this is division algorithm. Right? So if you substitute this all the dividend, clear, then divisor, quotient plus remainder means it will be satisfied. Both sides it will come same. Clear? Or you find out divisor into quotient plus remainder means you will get correctly dividend. First you take right hand side and to find out. Clear? You just what divisor is what? X minus 2 into quotient. Multiply, then add remainder means correctly will get this what? Dividend. Clear? You can verify also. Understand? Clear? So next we will see the exercise 2.3 first problem. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1 is divided by these polynomials. One by one you can divide. Okay. See all the polynomial you see linear polynomial. Okay. Then only we can use remainder theorem. You see here they asked to only find remainder, not quotient. Clear? Find remainder means using remainder theorem easily we can find out. Okay. So very simple. See solution. The first one will do. Let P of x, you have to name it, this polynomial you have to name it as P of x. So this polynomial in x, that's why for P of x you name it. P of x equal to s cube plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. Now here what is given, first problem what is given, x plus 1 is given, right? X plus 1 is given means in the rougher column you put x plus 1 equal to 0, x find out minus 1, x is equal to minus 1. So put x is equal to minus 1, put x is equal to minus 1, okay, so that you will get a remainder, therefore P of minus 1. So that only says the remainder theorem, clear? P of A, so that A we are finding here, clear? So in place of x you put this A. Minus 1 means this is remainder, this is remainder. So replace it. How to find out the value now, right? The value only remainder. So minus 1 cube is minus, here plus 1 into 3 plus 3, here minus 3, then plus 1. Okay, minus 1 cube is minus 1, here plus 1 into 3 plus 3, plus into minus, minus 3, 1. Now minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, 3 and minus 3 also get cancelled. So 0 getting. Okay, from this what you will understand, when the remainder is 0, then what you will understand? So this is the factor. X plus 1 is the factor of this P of x. This is a factor exactly. Factor means what? Exactly divisible. Clear? Understand? Exactly divisible by this polynomial. Clear? Therefore, remainder is 0. Remainder is 0 here of P of x. Okay. So next topic, remainder, factor theorem. In the factor theorem, I will teach what will happen. Remainder is 0 means what will happen. In the factor theorem, I will teach. Okay. Now we find out remainder only because problem asked only remainder. So find out remainder. Remainder is 0. Okay. Next, this second problem. Second problem you now we get x minus 1 by 2. X minus 1 by 2. So x minus 1 by 2 in the rougher column you do. X minus 1 by 2 equal to 0 means x is equal to 1 by 2. Right? X is equal to 1 by 2. So put x is equal to 1 by 2. Put x is equal to 1 by 2. Right? So in place of x I am changing 1 by 2. Here replacing 1 by 2. That means what you will get 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 the square plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. Okay, 1 by 2 whole cube. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. That is all numerator 1 multiply means 1. All denominator multiply means 8. 1 by 8. Here 3 into 1 by 4 plus 3 into 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. 3 into 1 is 3. Okay. Here by 1 is there. 1 into 2, 2. Okay. Plus 1. Okay. So simplification part very important. Clear? You don't know means learn it. 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. Here what is LCM? What is LCM? 8. 8 is the LCM, right? 8 you take LCM means what you will get? The numerator first 8 divide means 1 into 1, 1 plus 4 divide means 2, 2 into 3, 6 plus 2 divide means 4, 4 into 3, 12 plus here what denominator 1 there. So 1 you divide 8, so 8 multiply. This is the actual method, clear? So how much is 7? 7, 19, 27 by 8. 27 by 8 is the remainder. Therefore, 27 by 8 is remainder of P of x. You have to write the final answer, right? You have to write final answer. Okay, 27 by 8 is the remainder. Next you see x is given. Okay, So x is given means what? As usual in rougher column you put x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 you put. Okay. So the linear polynomial you have to get the form x minus a. But here x is one given means what? X minus 0 you can write. You have to get the form what? X minus a. Okay. So x minus a, how will you write? X there means x minus 0 you will get. So a is 0, compare. A is 0. So simply what? This is the easy way. Okay. What is given? You put equal to 0, find out x. Then you put it. Therefore put x is equal to 0. Okay. So p of 0. 0 cube plus 3 into 0 squared plus 3 into 0 plus 1. So everything will be 0, only 1 you will get. Therefore 1 is the remainder. Or 1 is remainder. 1 is remainder of given polynomial p of x. Right? When this polynomial divided by x. Okay. You will get remainder 1. Okay. The next fourth one, pi is there. X plus pi. Put x plus pi equal to 0. The rougher column means x equal to minus pi you have to replace. Okay. So you have to put in this p of minus pi. P of minus pi you put minus pi the whole cube plus 3 into minus pi the square plus 3 into minus pi plus 1. Okay. So now find out my p of minus pi is minus pi cube means minus first sign cube you do. Minus into minus into minus is minus. Then pi cube. Minus pi cube. Right. Plus minus pi squared is plus pi squared. So into 3 means plus 3 pi squared. Then plus 3 into minus pi is plus in first sign multiply. First plus into minus minus 3 pi. Then plus 1. That's all. So all unlike terms. So you cannot add at all. Clear? All what unlike terms. Okay. You should not add at all. This is answer. That's all. As it is you leave it. Suppose in the problem pi value given use 22 by 7 means you use 22 by 7 and simplify. But almost they will not give the pi value because cube is there. So 22 by 7 whole cube means it will take more time. Clear? So leave it. This is the answer. Next problem you see. This is very important problem. 5 plus 2x. So 5 plus 2x equal to 0. What is x? Find out. Minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5 by 2. X is equal to minus 5 by 2. So put x is equal to minus 5 by 2. Then only we will get the x minus a form. Clear? Minus 5 by 2 x is. So in this you put phi of minus 5 by 2 is what? Minus 5 by 2 the whole cube plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 the square plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1. So minus 5 by 2, that is minus cube is minus 5 cube is 125 by 8. Here plus it will be. So 3 into 25 by 4. Here plus into minus minus 3 into 5 15 by 2 plus 1. So minus 25 125 by 8. Here plus 75. 3 into 25 75 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 1. So again 8 is LCM. Take 8 is LCM, right? 8 is LCM. So divide means 1 into minus 125 minus 125 plus here 2. 4 divide means 2 into 1 150. 4 into 15 60. Then denominator is what? Here by 1 there. So 1 divided 8. 8 multiply plus 8. Right? So first these two add, how much? Minus 125 plus 150 is 25. Then these two add, minus how much? 8 means minus 52 by 8. So minus will be greater, so minus will come. Okay, 52 minus 25, how much is 27? Minus 27 by 8. Therefore, minus 27 by 8 is remainder. Remainder of P of x. Okay, so very important problem. Many times repeated this problem. Okay, in what periodic test, then half-yearly exam, session-ending exam, where they will ask very important these questions. So next problem is find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Okay, so you take this one p of x. Let p of x equal to s cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. Okay, so put x minus a equal to 0 means x is equal to a. So put x is equal to a. Put x is equal to a. So p of a find out. Wherever x is there, put a. Right? Better you put the value in the bracket. That is good practice. Okay. A cube minus here what? A squared into a cube plus 6a minus a. So a cube minus a cube cancel. So 6a minus a is 5a. Therefore 5a is the remainder. 5a is remainder. Remainder of p of x. Easily you can find out the remainder. Okay, very simple. Easily you can find out the remainder. Okay, the value of the polynomial only remainder. Okay. So next problem is check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of this. Is a factor means what? The remainder you have to get 0. Clear? Remainder should be 0. Clear? Then only what it is a factor. Otherwise it is not a factor. Okay, if you not get remainder value 0, then it is not a factor. Clear? For example, you see two number you take 15 by 4 you take. Clear? So in 15, how many 4s there? 3. Quotient 3, right? 12. So what is the remainder? 3. Remainder 3. So 4 is not a factor of what? 15. 4 is not a factor of 15. Clear? So if when you get remainder 0, then suppose you take 15 by 3. How much time will go? 5 times. So 15. Remainder is 0. When you get the remainder, then 3 is a factor of 15. 3 is a factor of 15. The divisor is a factor of dividend. Clear? That is the logic. Okay. Always you have to remember. Same way you have to check. Two polynomials you are dividing. Two polynomials you have to divide. Whether we have to find out is a factor. The divisor, this is divisor, this is dividend. The divisor is a factor of this polynomial or not. You have to check. Okay. For that, what you have to do is this polynomial take what p of x. Always highest degree polynomial you take for dividend, that is numerator, that is p of x you take. Clear? Let p of x equal to 3x cube plus 7x. Now this you have to take. Clear? 7 plus 3x equal to 0 you put simply. So 3x is equal to what? Minus 7. So x is equal to minus 7 by 3. So you have to put x is equal to minus 7 by 3. Understand? So find out x. X is equal to minus 7 by 3. You have to replace. That means p of minus 7 by 3 is equal to 7 into minus 7 by 3 the whole cube plus 7 into minus 7 by 3. Right? So 3 into, first what, the bracket one you have to simplify. So minus 7 cube is what? Minus 343. 7 cube means 7 into 7 into 7. 7 into 7, 49. 49 into 7, 343. So 3 cube is 27. 3 cube is 27. Okay. Plus into minus, minus 7 into 7, 49 by 3. Right. So that is equal to, here see numerator 3 there, you can cancel here. So 9 you will get. Understand? 3 you cancel means 9 you will get. So minus 343 by 9 minus 49 by 3. So now what you have to do, 9 is the what? LCM. 9 is LCM you take. So minus 343, here minus 3 multiply. Okay. Divided by 3 means 3 multiply. 27, carry 2, 12, 14. Right. Now just add 0, 5, 9, 4, minus 490. Minus 490 by 9 is the what? Remainder. But it is not equal to 0. It is not equal to 0. Because we have to check whether the remainder is 0 or not. The remainder is not equal to 0. Therefore, remainder is not equal to 0. This implies it's not a factor. It's not a factor. 7 plus 3x is not a factor of, because the problem is check. Okay. 7 plus 3x is not a factor of P of x. Simply you can write P of x. Okay. That's all. When remainder is not equal to 0, then it is not a factor. Okay. So you do these what homework problems. Clear? Do these homework problems for practice.